Here is another question that was brought to my attention, and the individual wanted to know why you couldn't come out of either one of the sides of the house or even the back of the house with your plumbing drain pipe. Why do they need to come out of the front of the house and then connect to the sewer or the septic tank? And I really don't have a good reason. So if you're a plumber or a builder who might have a good reason for this, maybe there's a specific building code, then feel free to share it with us in the comment area. Now, the reasoning behind all of this was to avoid tearing up large sections of the concrete slab to replace or repair the damaged plumbing drain pipe. So instead, you're simply going to go around the house and then connect it to the sewer. Now, I do see some pros and cons here. Definitely the pro is that you're not going to be tearing up your concrete slab if these plumbing pipes ever need to be repaired or replaced. However, you could have additional obstacles in the way, maybe a concrete patio, a sidewalk, or even utilities like water supply, gas, or electrical, or even some large trees that might need to be removed. And then we got to worry about the tree root zone. If the tree roots aren't going to be growing underneath the concrete foundation, then they're not going to have access to the pipes. However, if they're outside of your house, you could end up with pipes clogging and even moving the plumbing pipes as the tree roots get larger. You move them enough, you're going to break them. But rather or not, it will be easier to replace them on the outside than on the inside. Will have a lot to do with what those plumbing pipes are under or what is surrounding them. And I'm sure there are plenty pros and cons to something like this. If you have them, feel free to share it with us in the comment area, or even an experience you might have that would suggest doing it either this way or the other way. And thanks for watching. To learn more about home building and repairs, visit us at our website. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.